my name is Kritika and I'm a Tamil beauty blogger and welcome to my channel. My channel's name is The Sunkissed Fashionista and here I am uploading content on makeup, fashion, outfits, hair care, skin care and all that. So if you are interested in any of these topics, please do follow me and subscribe me. That will mean the world to me. With all that said, and I will also link my Instagram down and a picture of it somewhere here, because this look, as in today's look, actually was voted by my followers in Instagram. I had pitted Priyanka Chopra's look and Deepika Padukone's look to recreate. So that is what I have done today, and I have actually recreated this look. I will put up a picture here. This look of Priyanka Chopra. Please do not condemn me or tell what, are you a Priyanka Chopra and all that shit. No, I am not. I love her style. I love what she's doing, empowerment and all that. But this is my way of just dreaming to be there one day. With all that said, I think I've already told, today's video is a recreation of PC's or Priyanka Chopra's look. This is a pink burgundy kind of a look, and I don't know where she wore it. If I can find that, I will leave it down below. I did not do my homework. I am so sorry. With all that said, thank you for this constant love and support I am getting in Instagram and in YouTube. This really helps me making more content. With all that said, please do subscribe and watch my channel, because that will mean so much to me. Let's go into the video.
As a first step, use a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin for a smooth base. Now please use an eye cream so that your under eyes are well hydrated, and don't forget a lip balm. As a first step, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So take an eyebrow pencil of your liking and fill in your brows as per your shape. So now, to set your eyebrows, use an eyebrow powder of your color and set your eyebrows so it won't crease. Now use a concealer to color correct your eyelids to give a smooth base. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Revolution Reloaded palette and I'm taking a brown color, and then I'm giving it as a base for my eyelids. And now I'm going in with a darker pink and I'm going to give it in my crease and in the outer V of my eyelids. This is to create a shadow effect or a contoured effect. And then I'm going to deepen it a little more, only in the corners, and I'm going to give the same color to my lower lashes as well. Now I'm going to create a cut crease, for which you can use a concealer or a liquid highlighter. In my case, I'm using a liquid highlighter because I'm going to use a shimmer which is going to show more beautifully. So now take a dark pink shimmer and apply it on top of the cut crease that you have created. You can add false eyelashes and lenses if you wish. Curl your eyelashes for that extra drama and length. Now I'm going to add eyeliner. You can take anything of your choice, and then you have to start from the starting of your eyeball and end where your eyelids end. Do not make a wing or do not bring it to the inner corner of your eyes according to this look. For the base, I'm starting with the strobe cream. I'm using my Kryolan concealer to conceal all the dark circles, dark spots in my face, and I'm blending it. In today's video, I'm going to use two foundations, which is Maybelline 332 and e.l.f. Toffee, and then I'm going to blend it with the PAC brush. So I have another video for brushes. If you want, I'll link it down. So this is a great brush for blending. Now I'm going to set all this with powder, which is MAC powder foundation in NC41. So I'm going to take the sponge and apply the product in every place that I may crease, and then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then dust it off with a foundation or a powder brush. Now I'm taking my Hoola by Benefit bronzer and bronzing my nose, cheeks and all, because Priyanka Chopra has it all, so let us fake it. In this particular look, she had very minimal blush, so I'm going with the same. So I'm adding a highlighter in my cheekbones, nose, and also my eyebrows. Yeah. Now the lipstick, like the star product, I found like an exact dupe. It is Nykaa matte lipstick in Mona Lisa.
Yeah guys, so that's it for the video. I hope I did some justice to the picture I took or to the makeup I took, but I had fun recreating this look. Actually, I had done this before as a homework, and then I know all the lipstick shades and all, and then I finally found, okay, this is what is somewhat nearby. So that is how I coined this look. So I hope you guys like the look and all, and for daily updates from me, you can check me out on Instagram. What else? Yeah, please do subscribe and watch my channel because that will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it. With all that said, be happy, be positive. நல்லது நடக்கும் என்று நினைங்கள், நல்லதே நடக்கும். Bye guys.